The 4 Cows and the Tiger. In a peaceful village, there lived 4 cows, Aara, Hyra, Tharaa, and Meera. They were always united and grazed together every day. Seeing their unity, a tiger grew envious and wanted to attack them. One day, the tiger tried to attack the cows, but they stood together and chased the tiger away. Furious and determined, the tiger devised a plan to eat the cows, no matter what. The tiger approached a cunning fox and said, "If you can separate these cows, I'll give you a share of the feast." The fox agreed and set off to break the cows' friendship. The fox went to each cow individually and spread lies and rumors, causing mistrust among them. Believing the fox's words, the cows started to graze separately. Seizing this opportunity, the tiger attacked one of the lone cows and killed it. Witnessing this, the forest pig, who had seen everything, approached the remaining cows and said, "If you had stayed united, you wouldn't have lost your friend." The cows were filled with regret and fear. They immediately realized their mistake and decided never to separate again. Moral of the story: unity is strength. When we stand together and support each other, we are much stronger and safer than when we are alone.
Please subscribe and more learning fun videos.